Hi, my name's Gus Cameron, and I'm the owner of This Old Chopper. I just got to say, it's been 8 days since I put up a video, and I apologize. I've been busy. I've been playing with a cottage and also wiring the Shovelhead. So let's get on with it. Sorry for the delay. Let's have some fun. Extending wires. So I like this cloth covered stuff. It adds to the look, to the vintage look. And this is my headlight. It's a halogen. So I'm just figuring all the wiring. Going to put an extension on this. See if I can do it while you're watching. So I got orange. I picked orange for the. So I got the high beam is gray, black with the white is ground, and this orange is going to be daytime running lights, low beam, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so this is how I twist them like this. Like that. And I use this crazy thing. Holds my wire pretty nice. Like that. Like that. This looks good. It's nice and straight. The old solder gun. Underneath. It's fine. Then piece of heat shrink. About that long, about that long. Let that go. Let that go. Halfway. Looks good. Looks good. You can feel it. So a little bit of noise. I see people using lighters. Yeah, I like a heat gun. Nothing wrong with that. So there we go. So now all this is going to go through the hole. And then I have a grommet. I think it's a Harley grommet. It's a crazy thing. It's a two-piece grommet. Goes together like this. That's what it looks like. First I'm going to put I like to put some tie wraps. I like to put some tie wraps on the inside of this wire. Keep them from pulling out. I don't want to pull my wire out of the headlight, so put a couple of grommets or tie wraps on it. Facing different directions. They act as like little wings, I guess you could say. Make them tight. Snip them off, but I don't snip them off close. I leave a little tab. I don't know if this is the right way of doing things. I have no clue. That's the way Gus does it. I don't know. I think that's going to keep it from coming out. Then you put this thing together. You got to bend the wires up, and then Wonder if I can squeeze that with my pliers. Do I even got it the right way? No, I don't. Upside down. Alright, so now that goes in there like that. That hangs. There's the wires. So what's wrong with that? So then the old headlight plugs in, and the bolt is up. So you got to get it orientated. That's that. And then the chrome ring. Might have to take it all apart to get that chrome ring on. It's no biggie. Goes this way, by the way. There we go. There we go. Right. Rotate it. What's wrong with that? I think that looks fantastic. Yeah, it's got some tape on it, but man, it's crappy. It's a crappy light. 1, 2, 3 holes. Anyways, I think we're good. I think we're good. So there you go. I'll show you some other stuff in a little bit I found. Remember that red and yellow wire? I didn't know where it was going. It's very cool what I found out. I like it. All right. We'll be back. Lights, camera, action. Yeah, I made a mess. So, I did some wiring. It looks pretty copacetic. Is that even a word? This can. It's not bad. I added a ground for my back tail light, and then I sent one forward right here. I'm going to ground out my forward forks and ground the signal lights to the triple trees. That way, we don't have to worry about trying to get a ground through the bearings, because the bearings are supposed to be full of grease and all that stuff. So I found out what those other wires for. What was it? Red and yellow. What's that? That's what they're for. They went over here to a brake switch. So let's see if I got brake lights. I think I do. So, a few more pieces of the puzzle have been solved. I do a little cleanup. It's all soldered. Looks okay. What? Looks okay. Just waiting for my bars and get the front end put back together. And I think it looks okay. That's my sample plate. They presented that to me when I petitioned the government for 7 years to give us a veteran plate for motorcycles. When I started the program, or the protest, or the friggin' email, whatever you want to call it, there was 3 provinces in Canada had a plate for a motorcycle. And when I was done, we were the last province in Canada to have a plate for a motorcycle. That's how fast it works in Nova Scotia. Disappointing, but we got it done. Every veteran out there that wants one, just got to fill out the paperwork, and there's no extra fee or any of that kind of money. Canada or Nova Scotia. Let me turn the bike off. Way back in the day, I don't know what year, but Nova Scotia was the first province in Canada to have a veterans plate for a car. So we got a flag, no poppies, because the Legion owns the poppy rights. So it's not misused or something like that. I don't know. So we have a Canada flag on our veterans Nova Scotia plates. So yeah, we were the first province to have a car plate for veterans and the last province to have a motorcycle plate for veterans. Go figure. Anyways, that's what they gave me. It was a sample. SAM is for sample, and they gave that to me. Where is it? Probably backwards, but anyways. So there you go. Did a little something. Waiting for some bars. I'm gonna clean up my mess and see what tomorrow brings, or later tonight, or whatever. It's good to be in the garage. If you don't know what it's like, go out and try it. It's good. All right. Well, how you doing? We're still doing electrical, and I like it. It's very satisfying. I don't know about you guys, but I really shy away from electrical. But when you get it right, it's right, and it's good. See what's going on in the background? I'll give you a little flip around. So there you go. That's a Stoker way of wiring things. Pick up the ground on the bolt and run one wire to the light. I think that's freaking fantastic. I just got to do the other side. Yeah, I let the shocks go so I can get some space under the fender. But I think that's damn good. It's not too sloppy. It is what it is. My bike, and I do what I want. Anyways. This is what this old chopper gets up to. We got rid of that piece of shit. Kept our apple tree. Another apple tree. I don't know what that is. That might have to go. Anyways, look at this rig. Huh? What the hell? This old tractor. Not bad, eh? There's the electrical. I paid a contractor to do for me. He ran that 220 right from the box all the way around the other side for a good old heat pump. All right, we'll be back. Okay, here we go. We did a bunch of cleanup today. Good old tractor, love it. Did some cleanup back here. This was all a mess. Now it's not. There's the logs. So cleaned up underneath all these trees. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Cleaned up around the stump. Cleaned up over there. Cleaned up there. And we're doing good. We burnt the last of the brush. We took down a tree. Look, there's part of it. We got to get rid of the rest of it. And get rid of them logs. I did undercut. I undercut all these bushes. I undercut back here. It's a nice little area. I don't know what it's for. A stump. I gotta grind that stump down. I gotta get rid of this tree. It's dead, dead, dead. I gotta get rid of it. So I'm gonna have a guy come in and do it. But I cut there, all the mower. That good old mower I got from Paul. And I'll show you. Sorry, I'm a little jiggly. We got the hogs in the shed. Luke leaning on a rake.
All day long.
He does that well. This is all cleaned up. This is all cleaned up. Look at this. We're going to put a picnic table back here. I'm going to string lights in the trees. This is going to be our little getaway. This is all cleaned up. All cleaned up. This was a total mess. Total mess. Undercut all the trees all the way around the property. This is where we're at. Just to give you a bearing. Undercut all the trees. It looks awesome. I heard from the neighbor yesterday. And he said, we were never so happy to hear the lawnmower going over here because the people that owned this property before never cut the grass. The grass was 2 feet long. But you know what? Look how nice it is now. I gotta get rid of that shit. Anyways, nice stand of birches. And we're gonna make it good. It doesn't take a lot of effort. It takes a bit of commitment, small amount of effort, and you're gonna have something. I'll maybe put this up on my YouTube. This is this old cottage. This old chopper's at this old cottage. What? I got the AC running in the bedroom. This is our outdoor shower. It's the best thing ever. Best thing ever. Naked asses having a shower. Luke. Last of our brush. Over there was nothing but brush. We burnt it all. It's all clean. Anyways, that's it for now. Well, I guess we're going to have to call this episode This Old Chainsaw. Bye-bye top. Nice. Tell you, it's good to be efficient.
top. It is clear, top. There goes the top. Lovely. Nicely done. Nicely done. Guys are good. Guys are good.
Good morning. So yeah, little unconventional video this week. Actually, I missed Sunday, and I guess I'll put this up on the next Sunday. We're just here at the cottage, doing a lot of stuff, getting a lot of things taken care of. You probably have seen that we got some trees cut down. There's still 3 or 4 more out on the driveway that are putting light's still on, putting our power in jeopardy. So I'm going to call Maritime Electric, see if they're going to come take that out, or if I got to pay a guy to do it for myself. I just don't want to lose power because it's very precarious. So yeah, we're leaving today. I'll switch it around, let you see what's going on. So yeah, we're gonna be getting out of here, getting out of Dodge. The sun, I gotta get away from the sun. There we go, that's better. That's Luke's bike. Yeah, nice little shed. Trees are missing. I said I'm gonna make an elevated tiki bar. Anyways, nice little fire pit. And our retreat, our little retreat. Did a big cleanup over here the last couple of days. Our property sort of stopped at the first row of trees. But we've been working at pulling out the bush, the brush, and just getting it to our line. I think our line is another 6 feet, but it looks way better. You know, string up some lights maybe or something like that. Just, it's a great little spot, great little spot. Got a heat pump coming. All right, let's switch it around. So, we're heading back, getting out of here. I guess I'll put this up and, sorry it's not a bunch of wrenching. Yes, I got some wiring to do on the Shovelhead. I'll be doing that probably tomorrow, the next day. I'll do some little videoing. And then we come back here again on the weekend. And then next week I'll be doing a lot more wiring, hopefully get it done. The mosquitoes over here are freaking crazy. So there you go. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Check on a brother. Check on a family member. They need to hear from you. All right, later.